Upgrade your creative workflow with precision, comfort, and smooth control designed for designers who demand accuracy every day. Best Mouse for graphic design helps streamline editing, illustration, and detailed creative tasks while keeping your hand comfortable during long design sessions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Logitech Lift Vertical Ergonomic Wireless Mouse. The Logitech Lift Vertical Ergonomic Wireless Mouse is designed for users who spend long hours working at a desk and want a more comfortable alternative to a traditional mouse. Its 57-degree vertical design encourages a natural handshake position that helps reduce wrist strain and forearm pressure during daily use. The compact shape is especially suitable for small to medium-sized hands, while the textured surface and dedicated thumb rest provide a secure, comfortable grip. Everyday tasks feel smooth thanks to the Smart Wheel, which allows easy switching between precise and fast scrolling. The customizable buttons improve workflow efficiency by giving quick access to frequently used commands. Whisper quiet clicks make it a great choice for offices, libraries, and shared workspaces where noise can be distracting. Connectivity is flexible with both Bluetooth and Logibolt USB support, making it compatible with multiple operating systems. With an impressive battery life that can last up to 2 years, the Logitech Lift combines comfort, convenience, and productivity, making it one of the best ergonomic mouse options for professionals seeking all-day support. Number 2. Logitech G502X Plus RGB Gaming Mouse. The Logitech G502X Plus RGB Gaming Mouse is built for gamers who demand precision, speed, and customization. This updated version of the iconic G502 combines advanced technology with a refined design that feels comfortable during extended gaming sessions. The Hero 25K sensor delivers exceptional tracking accuracy, ensuring responsive control whether you're playing competitive shooters or strategy games. Logitech's Lightforce hybrid optical mechanical switches provide fast actuation and a crisp click feel, helping every command register quickly and reliably. The customizable LightSync RGB lighting adds visual flair while allowing users to personalize the mouse to match their gaming setup. Its redesigned dual-mode scroll wheel can switch between smooth free-spin scrolling and precise ratcheted control, offering versatility beyond gaming. The Lightspeed wireless technology ensures a stable, low-latency connection that feels virtually indistinguishable from a wired mouse. Multiple programmable buttons provide convenient access to macros and shortcuts. Combining premium performance, advanced features, and a comfortable ergonomic design, the G502X Plus remains an outstanding choice for serious gamers.
Number 3. Logitech MX Vertical Wireless Mouse. The Logitech MX Vertical Wireless Mouse focuses on comfort and productivity, making it an excellent option for professionals who experience discomfort from traditional mouse designs. Its distinctive 57-degree vertical angle positions the hand in a natural handshake posture, helping reduce wrist pressure and muscle strain throughout the day. Logitech designed the mouse with input from ergonomics experts, creating a shape that supports the hand while promoting healthier movement. The textured rubber surface enhances grip and comfort, allowing users to maintain control without excessive effort. A high-precision 4000 DPI sensor requires less hand movement to move the cursor across the screen. Wireless connectivity provides flexibility for modern workspaces, reducing desk clutter while maintaining reliable performance. Whether you're editing documents, managing spreadsheets, or handling creative projects, the MX Vertical delivers a comfortable experience that supports productivity and makes extended computer use more enjoyable. Number 4. Apple Magic Mouse. The Apple Magic Mouse offers a sleek, minimalist design that perfectly complements the Apple ecosystem. Its smooth, low-profile shape glides effortlessly across a desk, creating a clean and modern workspace. What makes the Magic Mouse unique is its multi-touch surface, which allows users to perform intuitive gestures such as scrolling, swiping between web pages, and navigating documents with simple finger movements. These gesture controls integrate seamlessly with macOS, providing a fluid and efficient user experience. The mouse pairs automatically with compatible Mac devices, making setup quick and hassle-free right out of the box. Its included USB-C charging cable ensures convenient recharging and pairing when needed. While its design differs from traditional ergonomic mice, many Apple users appreciate its portability, simplicity, and seamless software integration. For Mac owners seeking a stylish and highly integrated pointing device, the Magic Mouse remains a popular and reliable choice.
Number 5. Logitech MX Master 3S Wireless Mouse. The Logitech MX Master 3S wireless mouse is a premium productivity tool designed for professionals who need precision, comfort, and customization. Its sculpted, ergonomic shape supports the hand naturally, helping reduce fatigue during long hours of work. The advanced 8000 DPI sensor tracks accurately on nearly any surface, including glass, making it suitable for a wide range of working environments. Quiet click technology significantly reduces click noise while maintaining a satisfying tactile response, creating a more pleasant experience in quiet offices and home workspaces. One of its standout features is the MagSpeed scroll wheel, which offers remarkable speed, precision, and near-silent operation when navigating long documents or spreadsheets. The mouse also supports extensive customization through Logi Options Plus, allowing users to create application-specific shortcuts that streamline daily workflows. Bluetooth connectivity enables easy pairing with multiple devices, making multitasking more efficient. Combining premium build quality, advanced functionality, and exceptional comfort, the MX Master 3S stands out as one of the best wireless mice available for productivity-focused users. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.